Welcome to our comparison of the Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Today, we will dive into the key features of both machines, examining their ice production capabilities, types of ice they produce, and their pricing. The Nugget Ice Maker is known for its chewable nugget ice, producing up to 35 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, while the DUMOS Ice Maker offers a more affordable option with bullet-shaped ice cubes and a production rate of 26.5 pounds in the same time frame. Join us as we uncover which ice maker is the best choice for your home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures. When it comes to ice production speed, the Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive output of 35 pounds of chewable nugget ice in just 24 hours. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of bullet-shaped ice in the same time frame. This difference in production rate can be significant depending on your ice needs, especially during gatherings or parties. The type of ice produced is another crucial factor to consider. The Nugget Ice Maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its slow-melting properties and enjoyable texture, making it perfect for cocktails and soft drinks. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for quick chilling, but may not offer the same texture experience as nugget ice. Your preference for ice type can greatly influence your satisfaction with either machine. Finally, let's talk about price. The Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199, reflecting its advanced features and high ice production capacity. Meanwhile, the DUMOS Ice Maker offers a more budget-friendly option at just $69. This significant price difference may make the DUMOS a more appealing choice for those looking for a portable ice maker without breaking the bank, especially if you don't require the unique benefits of nugget ice. In conclusion, both the Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize chewable nugget ice and higher production rates, the Nugget is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact, affordable option that still gets the job done, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.